Welcome back to another video. Today we got some huge news for drone lovers. Tomorrow on 17th September, new DJI Mini Pro will be released. The leaks are in and the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro could be a game changer. Bigger sensor, smarter flight, deeper video capabilities. But how much of this is actually real and what does it mean for you? Stick around and by the end of the video I'll break down what might make this drone the best mini yet. First of all, what we know so far, the Mini 5 Pro will include the 1-inch 50 megapixel sensor with 1.8 aperture, which is a big upgrade for low light performance and dynamic range. Video specs are looking strong with 4K 60 FPS HDR, and for the slow motion you have 4K 120 FPS. It also includes gimbal rotation of 225 degrees, which allows true vertical mode, meaning you can flip the gimbal to shoot portrait style video without losing any field of view. In the spec sheet it says that it should have around 36 minutes of flight time and a range of up to 25 kilometers. One of the big appeals of the Mini line is sub 250 weight. It allows easier registration and fewer legal hurdles in many places. It's rumored that the new drone will carry the C0 certification in the EU, which would keep it in that lightweight class, but there are concerns whether the Plus battery or some of the new sensors might push it over the threshold. Some leaks indicate that the US market might not get it immediately or possibly ever. The teaser page is reportedly missing from the US versions of DJI's site. Real battery life specs are one thing, real world flight time, stability in wind, obstacle avoidance in practice, especially at night, are another. The big question, should you buy now the Mini 4 Pro or wait for the Mini 5 Pro? I think you should definitely wait, because Mini 4 Pro will get discounted very soon, and in my opinion, Mini 5 Pro is gonna be a very big upgrade, so it should be worth to wait for. But if you already own Mini 4 Pro, it is not worth to go for the upgrade, unless the image quality of the Mini 4 Pro is not good enough for you and you need that improved low light video quality improvement. Alright, what do you think? Is the Mini 5 Pro going to be the Mini to beat, or is the hype too high? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you like this video, double tap that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.